Are there environmentally safe coil cleaners for air conditioning systems that actually work without harming your yard or local waterways? For effective, eco-friendly coil cleaning, start by choosing a product labeled biodegradable and non-toxic, and get one specifically formulated for air conditioning coils, since those balance cleaning power with metal and fin. Safety. Before you apply anything, turn the system off at the breaker and gently remove large debris by hand or with a soft brush to avoid pushing dirt deeper into the fins. Apply the cleaner evenly using a spray bottle or low-pressure garden sprayer and allow the dwell time recommended on the label to loosen grime. Most eco-cleaners need 5 to 15 minutes. Rinse with low-pressure water directed from the inside out to prevent bending the fins and to flush contaminants away from the coil surface. If the coil is very dirty, repeat the application rather than using higher pressure or stronger chemicals, which can damage coils and void warranties. For persistent biological growth, consider an EPA-registered enzyme or bacterial-based cleaner, which digests organic buildup without toxic residues. Follow all safety instructions and keep runoff contained when possible. Homeowners often overuse pressure washers, which can flatten fins and reduce airflow, so always use low pressure and a wide spray pattern and straighten fins only with a fin comb or a butter knife covered in tape. Another common issue is choosing general household cleaners. Avoid soaps, degreasers, or bleach that can harm plants and corrode coil metals, and instead pick AC-specific green formulas that list coil compatibility. Many people rinse coils into landscaping where chemicals can damage soil and vegetation, so divert runoff to a paved area and capture it for proper disposal or dilute heavily with clean water away from plantings. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where users share experiences, product recommendations, and practical tips about eco-conscious maintenance and product selection.